Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This is Poonam Avasthi. Today we are going to cover page number 18 and 19 of GK book. Watch the video carefully and don't forget to check the description box. You will be getting a PDF there for current affairs. It is going to help you for October examination, okay? So let's begin page number 18 and 19 of GK book. Welcome all of you in GK class. Today we are going to study about global Indians and true champions. Please refer page 18 and 19 for this topic. And get ready to explore global Indians and true champions around the world. Many global Indians have achieved inspiring overseas success. Their exceptional performance in diverse fields ranges from academic, business, media to literature. Here we are going to study about some global Indians who achieved inspiring overseas success. Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan. A living legend, Venki Ramakrishnan. Born in India and now have dual citizenship of America and British. He worked in biophysics and biochemistry. In 2009, he won Nobel Prize jointly with Thomas Tice and Aldo Jonath. In 2015, he was elected as the President of the Royal Society. Now students, please meet the chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steel making company. Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, he is an Indian steel magnate. Satya Nadella, he was born and brought up in India, but now he is an Indian American business executive. He is the Chief Executive Officer CEO of Microsoft. And he became the CEO of Microsoft Corporation in the year 2014. Now students, meet Sir Ahmad Salman Rushdie. He was born in Bombay, but now he is a British Indian novelist who work in magical realism with historical fiction. He won the Booker Prize in 1981 for his second novel Midnight's Children. He was also honored in 2007 by Elizabeth II for his services to literature field, and he is now elected as a member in Royal Society of Literature. Now students, meet an Indian novelist and a poet, Vikram Seth. He has received Padma Shri Award in 2007 and other awards such as Sahitya Academy Award and Crossword Book Award, etc. Sundar Pichai, born in Madurai, India, a very famous Indian American business executive. He is the CEO of Google since 2015. Students, he joined Google in 2004 and led many important projects including Google Chrome. Now meet Nilanjana Sudeshana Jhumpa Lahiri. She is an American author known for her short stories, novels and essays in English and more recently in Italian also. She won award for fiction work in 2000 and in 2014 Lahiri was awarded with the National Humanity Medal. Now students, think for a moment, who are true champions? As we all follow, we all idolize, we take inspiration from cricketers, film stars and even politicians. We fail to recognize those who truly deserve the respect and recognition in the society. There are many real life heroes, warriors who really worked hard, but their stories are still unheard by society. Here, today we are going to meet some of true champions. Their whole life is an inspiration for all of us, and it's the time that we give them the recognition that they deserve. Meet Sita Sahu. She is a mentally challenged girl from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. She makes and sells golgappas on the street. And at the age of 15, this mentally challenged girl won 2 bronze medals in 200 meters and 1600 meters at the Athens Special Olympics in 2011. Now students, think that Sita Sahu is a real hero or not? Yes, you all are correct. She is a true champion, a real hero. Real heroes are born in every corner of the world. Some of them are celebrities while some live among us. Now meet Nick. He is an Australian motivational speaker. Nick was born with a rare disorder characterized by the absence of all 4 limbs. At the age of 17, he started his own non-profit organization, Life Without Limbs. So students, this story is really inspiring for all of us, that this person is making his life happy and helping others too. Now meet great swimmer Masoodur Rahman. He lost both his legs from the knee down in an accident during his childhood. After this also, he went on to swim across the English Channel in 1997 and the Strait in 2001. Now meet a Hungarian soldier, Karli, who was a brilliant rapid-fire pistol shooter, shooting with his right hand. Then he was seriously injured in a training camp and lost his right hand. But after this also, he taught himself to shoot using his left hand, and students, he won many awards for this. I hope students, all these stories of global Indians and true champions must have inspired you to do your best. Yes or no? So make your own ways. Put all your positive thoughts and vibes to find the solutions of challenges which you everyday face. And always remember, a true champion will fight through anything. With this beautiful thought, we end our today's class. And students, please check description box for current affairs PDF. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.